All right, let's do this. Today we're going to be unboxing the Canon R1. This is Canon's flagship camera, the best of the best that they make. Many have called it the R3 Mark II. I own an R3, so I'll be sure to give you my insight on that once I've done a full review. This is just an unboxing and initial impressions video. Sort of how it feels in the hands, how the buttons are, you know, the basics. This will be pretty short. Why do I own an R1? Question mark. Well, I own a few cameras and I wanted to see how it held up next to my R3 and my A1, honestly. So inside, of course, you get all of the fun stuff, the warranty card, the manual. I prefer my manual to be downloaded PDF so I can have it on my phone or whatever. So when I'm in the field, it's right there if I need anything. Although most of the settings are pretty intuitive once you've been using the camera for a bit, I assume, based off my R3 use. So opening it right out of the gate, the bag is soft, you know. We're doing everything. So the camera feels, honestly, it feels a tiny bit heavier than the R3. Nice tactile feel though. Like I could see this not slipping out of your hand very well, or very easy, I should say. 2 CF Express cards, 3.2 inch LCD on the back. Nice tension in the swivel there, so that's good. The rubber doors that are sealed and weather mounted, etc. Kind of would have preferred if there were individual doors for every individual thing. A full-size HDMI, finally. Oh my gosh, how long have we waited for that? You've got your tethering options. You've got your Ethernet, so you can be on the network should you need to, you know, get those photos off the camera quick. In the front, yeah, it's a lot like the R3. It's a 24.2 back eliminated stack sensor. 24 megapixels is honestly all you really need. So the charging brick does 2 batteries at once, which is kind of nice. These batteries last so long now. Such a great battery. The R3 has it. The 1DX and other prior flagships have it. I'm going to assume this is a USB cable. Feels like that. Yeah, USB-C to USB-C. I'm not sure that this is a high-speed one. It might just be more for simple stuff. I myself don't use the straps for the cameras. I just would rather not advertise too much. So I usually use a bigger nondescript strap, I guess, if at all. This little plastic thing I'm going to assume is, yeah, so this is to keep your HDMI, your Ethernet, your tether from coming undone, which is kind of nice. I personally never need to use it. And then this is going to be the battery. Yeah. It's the, what, the E19L, E19 or something like that. These batteries hold a charge forever. They're so great. So once we go inside there, we should have some charge. I mean, right out of the factory, so to speak. Yep. Okay. Oh, I don't want to do full setup. How do I get out of this? I'll just say yes to everything. So I'm going to go back and change it all anyways. And I'll just keep clicking the same button multiple times. Come on. I'll just push the button instead. Yeah, there we go. So the big standout for this is the EVF. It's a 9.44 million dot EVF. It's got the best EVF on the market. Nothing even is close to it from everything I've heard. I would have preferred a dial that has the individual modes rather than an electronic mode dial. I mean, it's more streamlined this way. I think it's just the choices they made. It's very much in tune with the other other cameras prior to this. CF Express, I use Angelbird cards because I just find them to be amazing, and I don't trust some of the other manufacturers out there just from having card failures, things like that. That's a different video. But anyways, this has been the initial look. We will be doing a review as well as full tutorial on the menu system, comparisons with other cameras. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks, guys.